All right, a quick update on Flux here. So Flux on the tiny fib low to the high. The price, it was steep here, making the higher lows. It ultimately broke down, but it came right back down to that 618 area and it got a nice little bounce here. So not too bad looking, even though it tried to break down. The price to get back over to be bullish is, of course, this 57 level here. So just remember that on the smaller fib there. And then we do have a green line on the chart, which is, let's see here what this is. Okay, this is low to the high 618. So that 5.7 up to 5.9. Once you get back over this 618, back in business to push higher. And then if you want to look at this short term, you have to be bullish over 90 to push you up to the macro 382 to be bullish over 114. But the formation here, even though it came down, it is holding up on that smaller 618 as we pointed out. So yet again, we still have this in play here. And you can see it is starting to make higher highs on all of these wicks. Even though it didn't do anything in here, that's because it broke down. I would imagine the next move up, it's probably going to bring you all the way up here for a move like that. But Flux is going to be a good one, I think. Now, how high is it going to end up going for this cycle? We don't have a crystal ball, of course, but we can kind of look at some targets if I can get the chart to get back to where we can see everything. Now, looking at Flux here, so Flux is still down below the macro 382 or 236 rather. So the macro bottom here is not confirmed yet until you get over 68. Once we get back over 68, the bottom is in, and like I already said, 114, that's your bullish line there. And then where's this thing going to end up once it finally does end up running? Now we have the 786 retracement here. Right now you're sitting at, I believe, a 200 million market cap. So for this thing to come up and hit the 786 is very reasonable, to a 1.7 billion dollar market cap up to 470, and that's an 8.5x from today. So that would be a good target and a good spot to potentially take profit on. So a good solid 8.5x on Flux here. And then if you want a moonshot, you can see the 9.6 billion new high here. That would give Flux from where it is today in price about a 40, almost a 47x up to that 9.6 billion 1272 new high at 2580 here. So as always, comment down below what are your thoughts on Flux. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.